What's going on, guys? So today's video is going to be a short and sweet one, straight to the point. How has my leveling kit held up, or how's my truck held up to the leveling kit over the last 35,000 miles? So for anyone new, 2018 Chevy Silverado, 3-inch MotoFab leveling kit in the front, stock rear, and I have the Ready Lift upper control arms. As you can see right there, that's where your tires are going to rub if you have stock offset. These don't rub, but the stock wheels with bigger tires will rub on those right there. Not that big a deal. You just can't turn it super sharp like you could with the stock control arms. But a lot of people ask me, you know, how has it held up? Because 3-inch leveling kit is actually a pretty daggone big leveling kit for any manufactured truck, but especially a Chevrolet, and especially the, 16 and newer trucks that have these stamped steel factory upper control arms. And to be honest, if you're running the stock upper control arms, it's not if, it's when your upper ball joint is going to pop out and you're going to ka-chow mod.
Look like me! Ka-chow!
And typically it's not that big a deal. It just kind of lays your tire over a little bit, and you don't put, most people I see aren't wrecking, they're out here losing their tire completely, anything like that, but it is popping out. You either have to get one pressed back in, or the smart thing, get you some aftermarket ones, just go ahead and replace it. We'll go ahead and jump under here and check out the angles. I am on a GoPro, so they might be a little bit distorted, but I get DMs all the time, people asking, how's it held up? Have you gone through CV axles? How are your ball joints? All that kind of stuff. And as you can see, it's still nice and clean and dry under here. So, nothing too crazy. The upper, got a little bit of grease on that top one where I kind of overfilled it. But the bottom one down here is still nice and dry. Nothing leaking out of that. Nothing weird. Our CV axles are all nice and clean. Nothing, the boots aren't busted, they're not pulled out, I don't have the extensions, I don't have a diff drop, nothing like that. This is pretty much the worst case scenario setup, except for I do have upper control arms, which help a ton, and the weak failure point is the upper control arms 9 times out of 10. But CV axles are fine, steering is fine, lower ball joint's fine under here, everything under here is nice and clean and dry. So with that being said, will you have the exact same good luck as me? I don't know. Will you 100% pop a ball joint out of the stock one? Probably so. There's like a really good chance. So if you're going to go with a 3-inch or even a 2.5, go ahead, upgrade your stock control arms. It's going to ride better. It's going to perform better. And you're not going to be popping out ball joints all the time. And you just don't want to do that. That's scary. You want to be able to enjoy driving your truck. Just go ahead and just upgrade it. So 35,000 miles, I'm about to change the truck up suspension wise, so I figured I'd do a last update because this has been on the truck basically since I bought it. Like I just mentioned, I did buy this truck brand new, so if you're buying a truck that's got 100,000 miles on it already and then you're going to do these mods, might fare differently. It might wear out faster, just being honest. Mine was completely brand new. I think it had 3 miles on it when I bought it. It being brand new might have had all this fare a lot better. Didn't have any wear on it. Went straight from perfect stock to max 3-inch leveling kit. Oh my gosh. But it's been really good. I've enjoyed it. Still rides really good in my opinion. No complaints. I'm just changing the suspension, so wanted to do a 35,000 mile update. It's 5,000 degrees out here and 100% humidity. So I'm going to quit rambling. I'm done. It's been good. Upgrade your upper control arms. Don't run the stock ones. 3-inch leveling kit is a big leveling kit. Run it at your own risk, but upgrade your upper control arms. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoy. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try to answer them there. I'll see y'all in the next one.